Hey guys, what's going on? This is Faraday 457 and welcome to system test number 31 of the Potter PFC-4064 system. So anyways, let's get started. This will be another requested system test. This system test was requested by Fire Alarm 33. And so we're going to go ahead and go over what devices that he requested. Coming up over here, NAC 1, he requested the Faraday 2834, which is also known as the Siemens U-MHU. And then coming over here for NAC 2, he requested the Simplex 4903-9236, and it's being coded to code 3 by my system sensor sync module. Again, it's being coded to code 3 by my system sensor sync module, because my panel, this panel cannot code the NACs separately. And plus, I have this self-coded to code 3 on medium volume. So in order for me to put both of these on code 3, from one self-coded and one coded to code 3, and I have to use my system sensor sync module. And then down here for the pull stations, zone 1, he requested the Simplex 4251-20. And up here for zone 2, he requested the Simplex 2099-9101. Note that this is not the original cover that was from my 2099-9101, because on the original cover, when I was trying to mount it, part of the T-bar snapped off. So I just took my cover from my 29.997.95 and put it here in the replacement of it. But it does work very well. And then coming over here beside the door, he requested the Simplex 4099-9001. All right. Down over here, I got the system sensor 5602, which we will not be testing today. Then coming over here, I got the system sensor 2151, which we will be testing today with Smoke Saber. And we will also be doing the 2098-9806 test switch as well, which is on zone 4. And I hooked up the alarm indicator to NAC 3, so that way the light will remain lit when I silence the system. Since I have NAC 3 on non-silenceable, which again is being used for strobes on 4-wire devices. And then finally down here, got the system sensor i3, which I will also not be testing today. And we will not be also be pulling this pull station today either. All right. But I will be activating the CO detector today. All right. So, with all that said and done, let's go ahead and start with the test. And now, before I start the test, again, please do not pull fire alarms in real buildings or tamper with any life safety equipment out in public. I will not be responsible for your actions if you choose to do so. And please do not watch if you have epilepsy to flashing strobes or lights. Forgot to mention that the candela setting I have on the Faraday 2834, it's 15 candela. And the 4903-9236 isn't a fixed 15 candela. Again, please do not watch this if you have epilepsy, because these devices will be out of sync, and I will not be responsible if any reactions to flashing lights occur. Anyways, with all that said and done, let's go ahead and start with the test. We're going to go ahead and start by pulling the 4251-20. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, no audible silence since both of these are two-wire devices. And plus, I have the 4939236 set on two-wire operation. All right. Next up, we're going to go ahead and pull the 9101. Here we go. That is actually very loud. All right. Now I'm just going to go ahead and reset these pull stations. And now we can just reset the system. I'm just going to go into the main control panel. I'm going to hit System Reset. And after the system resets, the LED on the alarm indicator will shut off. Right. Now we're going to come over here beside the door and we're going to pull the 4099-9001. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. And now I'm going to go ahead and activate the 20N98-9806 test switch. Here we go. I'm just going to put the key in and we're going to turn it to test. Alright, and before I reset the system, go ahead and get my smoke saber. We're going to go ahead and activate the system sensor 2151. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Trying to air out the smoke in the 2151. Now I'm going to go ahead and reset the system and see if it'll reactivate again. All right, we're all back to normal. Now before I end the video, I'm just going to go ahead and test the CO detector. Here we go. All right, this is going to do it for 4064 system test number 31, everybody. Thanks, special shout out to Fire Alarm 33 for requesting this system test, and be sure to check him out. And if you'd like to request a system test on my 4064 system or the 9600 system, the description on what to do are in the description in my collection video. And I will also put it in the description in this video. And as always, be sure to check out my other fire alarm videos. I have tons of content out there that you do not want to miss. And I will see you next time.